In this video, we will demonstrate how to collect sgInfo from Forcepoint Next Generation Firewall engines. The video will cover the following topics: what is sgInfo, how to disable configuration encryption, and how to collect the sgInfo. sgInfo is a script that collects troubleshooting data from NGFW engines. Forcepoint technical support often requests sgInfo to allow support engineers to investigate issues in the NGFW engine. When the script is run, it collects data from the NGFW engine. This data includes traces, kernel logs, memory statistics, and configuration files, to mention a few. As the sgInfo script collects data and statistics from the moment the script is run, it is important to run the script while the issue is happening. If we take high memory usage as an example, sgInfo needs to be run when high memory consumption is seen, as the output of commands should show which process is consuming memory. NGFW engine sgInfo can be collected using the SMC management client or the NGFW engine command line. Let's first look at collecting sgInfo using the management client. To collect sgInfo via the SMC, first log into the SMC with the management client. If you are providing sgInfo to Forcepoint technical support, configuration encryption should be disabled before taking the sgInfo. This is done by right-clicking the NGFW engine element and selecting the Edit option. In Engine Properties, switch to the Advanced Settings page and uncheck the Encrypt Configuration Data selection. To send clear text configuration files to the NGFW engine itself, install the policy using the Save and Refresh button. Click OK in the Upload Policy Task Properties window. After the clear text policy has been installed, switch to the Home page, and right-click the NGFW engine you need to take the sgInfo from. Select Commands and collect sgInfo. Note that this can be done by right-clicking the cluster level element as well as the node level element. A new sgInfo task properties window opens, with the selected NGFW engines automatically included in the target field. Two additional selections in the sgInfo task properties are to include core files and slapcat output. When the Include Core Files option is enabled, the sgInfo script will include the service core and kernel dump files generated by the current engine version. This option should be enabled when a kernel or service crash has happened and needs to be investigated by the Forcepoint team. If the Include Slapcat output is selected, the sgInfo script will include internal domain user and group information, generated with the slapcat command. The Destination Path option in Task Properties allows you to save sgInfo to the management server host or to a local workstation the administrator is using. Once you have selected where the sgInfo will be saved, click OK to send the command to the engine to run the script. In the new window, you will see data collection progress. Note that progress might stay at 0% for a while, as collecting data from the NGFW engine and transferring it usually takes a minute or two. Here we jump to the end when the operation is finished. Note how the output shows the location that the sgInfo archive was saved to. Finally, let's see how to collect sgInfo from the Next Generation Firewall command line. Here we have already opened a secure shell connection to the NGFW engine. To collect the sgInfo, run the sgInfo command. If the currently active configuration is encrypted, use the -F option to force the script to run. Running the sgInfo script will take a moment. Here we skip to the end when the script finishes and shows the name of the file generated, and where it is saved.